Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if app crashing on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so open app, go back and close, open, back, close, open, back, close. After the process you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, scroll down and click on reset and reset all settings, reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue, again tap on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean, and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.